locked out by language, how debt collectors exploit the language barrier. In 2020, over 25 million Americans, it's about 8.2% of the population, were considered limited English proficient, LEP, a staggering number that underscores a hidden vulnerability in our financial system. LEP individuals, while using financial products like everyone else, are severely disadvantaged. They struggle to navigate the complexities, leaving them exposed to potential hardship when debts go unpaid. The CFPB's 2021 report exposed a promising trend. Major credit card companies demonstrated capacity and systems to accommodate LEP consumers in their collection processes. This includes bilingual units for Spanish speakers and translation services for other languages. However, in the New York Department of Consumer Affairs 2019 survey revealed a gap in reality. Over half of debt collectors in their study offered no language assistance beyond English. Consequences are pretty dire. CFPB's consumer survey found over 20% of those contacted about debts couldn't communicate in their preferred language, and most respondents were likely native English speakers. This paints a grim picture for LEP communities. Challenge is faced by these communities as revealed in the 2014 FTC CFPB roundtable included fear and confusion, incomplete translations, and targeted exploitation. The fear and confusion piece: LEP debtors are less likely to question debts or the legitimacy of debt collectors. Misunderstanding debt collection agency for a government entity makes this worse. And as far as the translations, key information concealed within partially translated documents denied these individuals full comprehension. I've actually compared some documents in English and Spanish. I do speak a little bit of Spanish, and I look at this. They aren't using the same words, and they appear to be very, very abusive when they change languages. I guess they assume people aren't going to read it, or maybe the person doing the translating doesn't understand. They're not supposed to say things the way they're saying it. As far as the targeted exploitation, enforcement actions by multiple agencies have exposed abusive tactics used explicitly against these LEP communities. Compounding this issue is the stark reality that nearly a quarter of these individuals live below the poverty line, twice the rate of English proficient individuals. And this highlights a double burden of financial hardship and language barriers, which is often exploited by unethical debt collectors, which is pretty much all the debt collectors, fortunately. If you have any questions about this issue or any other consumer protection matter, we're happy to help. Give us a call or reach out, cliffcarlsonlaw.com.